Hey you guys, today's video is a hair rescue mission. My curls have been through it. They are flat, they are frizzy, and they are unfriendly. Okay, so I'm using the Redken's All Soft Mega Curls, starting with the shampoo, to start this rescue routine. I really like how moisturizing this shampoo feels. As soon as you put it in your hand, you can feel it. My hands always shrivel up while I'm washing my hair, and it smells really, really good. You definitely get the thoroughly cleansed kind of feel on your hair and your scalp when you rinse this out. Definitely shampoo twice when you use this shampoo. It lathers 10 times more, and that's when you really see the magic of how it's moisturizing and cleaning your hair. It's really a great shampoo to use. Now the All Soft Mega Curls conditioner. I really enjoy this conditioner. It smells good. It's really thick, you guys. Check this out. That was real time. I love this stuff. It's really creamy. I just smooth it through my hair, and I really like it because I don't have to struggle to comb out my hair with this conditioner. It has a lot of slip. No pulling and ripping at my hair with this. It just goes through very easily.
Considering everything my hair's been through, and this being the first official wash day since, it's not too bad.
Building up these curls with Camille Rose Curl Maker to start things off. I've used this a couple times. I really like it. It gives me curls that aren't too crunchy and are well elongated and well clumped. So I really, really like this, although it is a very light product. So I've noticed that I can't use it alone. So because it is a light product that does give good curl definition, I still need something a little bit heavier. So I've decided to back this up with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I've been using this stuff for a while. I quite enjoy it. It gives me very well defined curls. They do have a little bit of crunch to them, but it's not anything like awfully horrific, making me feel like my hair can't move. I applied the Uncle Funky's using the praying hands method. I found that to be what actually makes the curls elongate and then eventually crunch back up the best. So I do the praying hands method all throughout my hair, and then we wait.
Okay, so halfway mark curl check-in. My roots are still kind of like super. Okay, I'm needed. Un momento. As I was saying, my roots are still wet. My ends are drying, but because they're resting on my shoulders, they're drying in weird positions, and I'm trying really hard not to touch them. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna sit under the dryer. Howdy doody, y'all, my beauties. My hair is dry. I had to sit under the dryer for a bit with my kid in my lap, but you know, we do what we have to do to make it work. The Uncle Funky's and the Camille Rose Curl Maker, I was really, really wanting to try to see how these two products would do together. I used the Camille Rose Curl Maker first because I felt like it was lighter, less sticky compared to the Uncle Funky's Curl Magic. So I wanted to make sure that I gave those a shot. Maybe next time I'll layer them differently and see how the curls come out. But I've been using the Curly Magic for a while. It's actually worked really well in my hair. It's got aloe vera, marshmallow, and nettle, whatever that is. All of it sounds like you can eat it, so I'm good with it. So they're not like super crunchy. Here, but they definitely got, you know, a little hold to them that I'm curious to see how that plays out. So I'm gonna use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Treatment to do that. Check this out. What? Glorious gold argan oil. I like to use Not Your Mother's, the curl activator when I refresh my curls. I just find that it works better and it adds a little bit of hold. This is good. This is probably one of my better outcomes. If you've gone through my videos, you've seen that me and my wash day routines, we are a struggle. Especially for me, coming back and looking at them, you know, after having my child, I was like, ooh, them wash days is rough. Even when I thought they were good, they were bad. That's not to say that this one is perfection. I grow better in my routine every time I do it. It's about finding the right products, honestly. I'm pretty sure I'm onto something with the Uncle Funky's. This routine might be it. I think I might have to layer it a little differently. Oh yeah, but I'm loving this. These curls seem soft. They feel good. But they actually feel really soft and really good right now. Like, this is good. I like this. See, and that's what I'm talking about. These curls are by far the best curls I've done since I started my curly girl journey. I know that my curls have been through some things. You can check out my story in my other YouTube videos. It's been a wild ride, especially since motherhood. But I'm so happy to see where we've come, and I'm excited to see where I'm going. I'm sure as my hair progresses and my curls continue to bounce back and restore themselves from that keratin treatment that we got once on the way back. I'm happy to see how that works. In the meantime, Cam Fam, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post more curly girl content for you. So without further ado, y'all have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.